Hi there everyone, this is your friend from Bacolod City, Mr. Jake Rodriguez Pomperada. In this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to write addition of two numbers using Go programming language or Golang. Before we continue, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you are new with my channel, please subscribe, and I hope that you will learn on all the tutorials about computer programming, information technology, about life. So let's get started. We are here in the code. So let us run the program first. I will go to the terminal. We issue the command ls. So we have here the directory cd go ls. So we have here addition.go. So if we run the program, we simply issue this command go run addition.go. Press the enter key. So we have here the title of the program, addition of two numbers. Enter two numbers, let's say for example 3 and 2. So the sum of 3 and 2 is 5, and a program. So let us go with the code. So we have here the comment addition.go slash asterisk addition.go, author yours truly Mr. Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, Maet, date July 10, 2020, Friday, 7:32 p.m. Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. We have here my website and then my email address. So we have here package main, import fmt format, func main, the starting point of our program, and then we have here the three variables that is being declared. So we have here val1 and 32, val2 and 32, and valsum and 32. The sum here is called assignment statement. So we have here new line, and then we have here the title addition of two numbers. So we have here print enter two numbers, fmt scanf %d to %d ampersand val1 comma ampersand val2. So we have here sum equals open and close parentheses val1 plus val2, new line, and then we have here display the sum of comma val1 double quotation and val2 is sum new line, and then end of the program new line. So when we execute the program second time around, so go run addition.go, and then we provide different values. Let's say 12, and then we have here 14. We can come up with 26. So the sum of 12 and 14 is 26, end of the program. So this is the end of our tutorial video. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is your friend from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada says until to the next video tutorial. Bye bye for now.